Hi everyone, my name is Laura Furman. I am the director here with Blossom Therapy. I am an occupational therapist with 20 years of pediatric experience. On the Blossom Therapy team, there's also 7 other occupational therapists, and we have been providing services more in kind of a natural environment, which really is sort of that organic space a child is during the day. So be it the home, school, daycare, preschool. We also have been providing teletherapy services as well. We feel like as well-rounded as that is, that there was kind of a piece that's been missing. We are so excited to announce we now have this clinic space as well. The clinic will be able to provide equipment that we can't readily just bring in our cars and pull out to bring in a home or a school setting. And some children just really benefit from having this opportunity to kind of get out of the house and have a little bit more of a structured environment to target some of their goals. Normally would have an open house, but due to COVID, we're not able to do that. So I just wanted to kind of give a virtual little tour and show you around the place. In here we have our waiting room. We have space for small children to sit, adults to sit. We have some reading material for children and adults, and we have some toys over in the corner as well. Through here against this wall, we have many toy options and therapeutic items, really to hone in and target whatever the goal that the child has. We really have a large amount to focus on whatever the needs are. And then in here, we have our little quiet space, our quiet nook. Sometimes when children are overwhelmed or dysregulated, this is a nice place for them to be. Sometimes it's a nice place to start a session. We have our bean bags and small little therapy seats in here where a child can kind of curl up and read a book or just have a minute. Over here is just a little workstation where a child can have more focused seated activities. We have lots of books up against this wall as well as puzzles where they can kind of sit and attend to some of those more fine motor or kind of cognitive tasks. Against this wall is more of our movement and gross motor wall area. We have our climbing wall here. That's more for our older children to work on some of strengthening and motor planning pieces. We also have this piece of equipment for our smaller children to also target some of the climbing and movement. And we also have a slide there. Back in this corner is a big tube for jumping and moving and getting that energy out. Over in this area, we have our swing. Swings can be so beneficial in sort of calming and organizing. So oftentimes we might start a session with this before we go into more of a movement or seated task. Back in this area, we just have a little breakout room. There's lots of activities against the wall. This space is nice for children that benefit from a more quiet environment to focus and attend.